Hello fellow traders, my name is Simon and welcome again to Porsaj Forex Academy. Today we are here with a brand new signal and today's signal is going to be on AUDUSD. So, as always, hold on to your seats and without any more time to waste, let's head to our calendar. Let's go. Okay, now that we are on our calendar, as you can see from the chart on our left side, we can see that clearly the seller side is stronger than the buyer side. And this is going to affect this currency so much, and even with all the positive grades that this currency has gotten for the forecast of it in the next week, but I guess because of the dollar rising price that I have predicted for this week, or it's better to say this currency will fall as well, and we're not going to miss that fall. And as always, as I've said before, news are not enough, so let's head to the chart and see what we have. Okay, now that we're on the chart, as you can see, we are on AUDUSD on 4-hour time frame, and as always, I have pre-drawn some zones for you. This green zone is going to act like a resistance for the price that is going up and like a support for our selling trade. Why? Because as y'all can see, we had two equal highs and there was a lot of liquidity up above here, and it was all taken because of this candle that broke up above these two equal highs. And this green area is representing a really strong and powerful resistance for the price, or actually it's going to be a powerful resistance for the buyers because it's not going to let the price to go up above this level. And this blue area, as always, as we all know, is our trading area, and this red area is going to be our TP. Why? Because I actually don't see any resistances down here, and if we go a little bit more to the back, we have two equal lows down here that are not taken, and there is actually a lot of liquidity below them. And as you all know, as always, we're gonna identify our TPs, and without any more time to waste, what I want from you is to sit back, enjoy the music, so I can make this pretty for you guys. Enjoy. Okay guys, now that we have our signal, I just wanted to end the video with a beautiful quote. You don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. Have a good time and peace.